Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be making paper squishy DIY. So, yeah, let's get started. Fold your paper in half like this. And now you could draw your design. So I decided to just do a heart that says love. After you draw your design, you could color it any color. This is how it looks after I colored it. I'm gonna make it look better, don't worry. And trace love, the word love with my marker. Okay, then after you're done coloring your design, then you could start to put the tape on it. You're gonna want to tape it, and after you get it all taped, you can start to cut it out. Okay, here's my end, how my end result looks. You could color the back if you want to. I don't want to color the back because I'm a little bit lazy, but if you want to color the back, then you can. I'm just not. We're just going to look at the front. You could also put tape on the back. I think I might not put tape. Again, I don't want to waste my tape. But if you did have the energy, you could, and I think it will look much more better with that. You're going to tape the heart together, but make sure there's an opening at the top. Like, I taped everything but the top, so this is where we could put a button. Get a clump of felt and start filling your paper squishy in. Okay, I taped the top together, and this is how it turned out. I think it's pretty good. Fun to squish, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And yours probably turned out much better than mine. Thanks for watching. Love.